damage as maybe we would think. Mostly to the dome itself. So kind of spot what's missing there. You can see that the cross on top was missing. The original dome had been destroyed by an incendiary bomb, firebomb, phosphorus, landing on top of the dome, resulting in the original cross burning through. So of course it means that there is no cross on this cathedral until the early 1990s. The dome was replaced in the 80s. But East Germany, communist East Germany, had no intention of putting a cross on. Hours to go through if you want to do it justice, but it's an amazing museum. Not included technically in Museum Island museums. But if you're a lover of military history, Napoleonic era, First World War, Second World War, it's one to use certainly. I could recommend it very highly. This is the State Opera House, that open, celebrating 275 years. It's an anniversary this year. And then, of course, the university beyond, Humboldt. But the first building we'll have a look at a little bit closer is this one here from 1818. Now, the building was designed by Karl Fedoschenko, of course, and it was built as the Royal Guardhouse, the Neue Wache. So when we still had a royal family.